everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to delete Instagram messages from both sides. So for that, open the Instagram application at first. Once you're at the Insta homepage, you need to go to the message on the top right. Tap on the message icon and tap upon the message or the person to whom you want to delete the messages. Tap upon that conversation. So this is the messages that I want to delete from both sides. To delete from your side, what you can do is tap on the messages and hold for the few seconds. It will give you this option. From this option, you need to tap on Unsend. Unsending will remove the message for everyone. People may have seen or forwarded it already, even though. Tap on Unsend and the text message that you have sent will be removed. With that, the other person or the other end of conversation person or the user will not be able to see this message anymore. To delete a message from the both sides, you cannot do the messages that you have received in Instagram to be deleted. You can only delete that text message from your side, but the text that you have received will be still visible to the person or the sender of the Insta. That means you will only be able to delete the messages that you have sent from your Insta. If you want to delete the text messages, you can ask the person or the sender to delete it from their side as well. The only way to delete an Instagram message from both sides. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.